Vape? No, Chihuahua.
Reggie, don't eat him.
Come on, girl. Get it.
Why do we stop?
I'm not gonna do this.
Hold on, don't pull him so fast.
Oh my gosh.
Benji, what? You not want to walk?
Let us high five. Tell him to give you a high Kayla, you gotta give him $1. He won't do it unless you give him $1.
Wait, he knows.
Wait.
Ella va bien. Gilio.
Life does not. Oh my God. Oh.
Babe, she's been drinking all day.
I'm working. Nope, I'm working.
Those stretch receivers that are running the verticals down the field. Take the deep
Get in the box. Go.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it.
Alright, let me get this chore. Thanks. Here, I'm going to dry hair and
Oh my goodness, my daughter.
and then just
Yeah.
As far as I'm aware, the answer to every problem is dog. Bad day at work, dog. Depression, dog. Anxiety, dog. Friend problems, dog. There is no other solution.
Shit. Go get her. Go get her. 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 going on? Cookie eater.
Everyone your costume. Come on. Oh, wow. Pretty girl. We're going home. Come on. Time to go home. Don't do that. Come on. She's coming. We're coming. Come on.
Rosie, what are you doing?
Hey, no. Look at me. You naughty boy. Yes, you are. Not happy with you.
That does not give a crap.
Come here. You put your hands behind their head. They use you.
You are the couch. Wake up.
What the hell is that? Are you kidding me right now? Let it go.
Bitch, sit down. No,
More?
Hey.
Oh my goodness, look at your little face. This is so cute. This is so cute. You look like you want a cookie. Here you go. Oh, okay, here you go.
It is so pang glad. Even Harper wants a bit. Go on. You know what to do. Come on. See, I could be a father. I'm ready, Frank. Is this how you pick up your kids? No.
It's whack-a-doodle time. It is whack-a-doodle time.
Did you chew that receipt? Did you chew that? Stevie?
Deixa-me trabalhar. Deixa-me trabalhar.
Inside. Wanna come in?
Man, stop!
Ready, set, go.
Sweeney. There she is. Where's Sweeney? There she is.
The bloody dog. He been so bad today. He not fucking listening to me.
Look at what this damn dog wants me to throw.
Давай, Владик, молодец, Иван, пошел я. Вот так. Давай, Арчик, клади, все, клади там, клади. Все, молодец.
Chewy. Chewy, leave it alone. Chewy, it's a fraud.
Juno, I can't. Please open. Thank you. Thank you.
I don't hear any more out of you. No more out of you, miss. No.
What are you doing? What? No. 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 Hey!
What? What?
Go through what? Crystal's discovered. So anybody who gets a Labrador Retriever needs to know that with 100% certainty.
Estoy loco. Estoy loco.
I don't want to, bro. I just want to watch TV.
Bang. Bang.
Ain't no river wide enough, baby. If you tell me, call me, no matter where you are, no matter what, don't worry.
Really, bud? Oh.
Taz. Can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
We ready or what?
Oh, hold on. I'm fucking with my hole.
Деміні. Деміні. Ну дай, мам. Деміні. Деміні.
You're beautiful and pretty, and I like talking with you, and you have a good smile, and you're very interesting. So what did you like about me?
Hands up.
Oh, big stretch.
What are you doing? Good morning. Hi, baby. Good morning.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Stop it.
Ah, gee, I don't know any dogs in this house that want to go on a walk.
Lemon. Helicopter lemon and honey, and that I top with pine nuts.
Finish?
And that is divine.
Can I stop?
And look at that. Oh,
Can I stop?
Should I cut that one?
You cut that.
No, dude, don't push it in. What's this?
Are you mad at me? Are you?
Kajda.
Je disais, s'il vous plaît.
拿下包，拿下包，拿下包，拿下包。
Like that water?
I don't know how old you. Like, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Gucci. Gucci. I've been holding you all day. Can you...
Can I get this paw? This paw. Paw?
You just locked her in there.
Dame otros 50,000 y te lo quedas. Y te doy gratis al panzón pendejo. Chao.
Yes.
¡Ay!
I'll be right back. Move your nose. Là phơi vai, vai.
World-class instructors, real-time motivated metrics. Keep your body in motion without ever breaking your stride every single day.
Just got home and this is happening. What are you doing up there? You're not supposed to be on the kitchen counter.
Get it.
Fully down, Daisy.
Honey, what's
You
that?
understand. You understand, baby. I used to hang out, man. Like, I really used to hang out. I used to be in the club.
Lie down. Lie down.
Go, Kylie, go. Good job, Kylie. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Wow, look at her go.
That's called the dog paddle. That's why they call it the dog paddle. Poor Freddy.
小宝回来。闹闹在欺负小宝的闹闹。
¡Suéltenme! ¡Suéltenme, hijos de la chingada! ¡Suéltenme, hijos de la chingada!
Ronan, are you kidding me?
All right, let me get a smell. Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Okay, I'll be darned.
Piper.
She did amazing. Do we?
So you're jumping?
Do we do this?
Wait.
Longe de toda negatividade de você. Rosinha da Páscoa, que trazes pra mim? 1 surto, 3 surto, 3 surto pra mim.
Jaden, go side.
So we're watching the Super Bowl, and I hear these two just crying, and then I notice my dog has eyebrows.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Here, you can look over there. You're gonna fall over. There you go, see?
Oh, eat your food. You eat your food. Okay, open wide, big bite. Oh, yeah, you're a good boy.
You need to stop biting. No.
Lord, did you eat the toilet paper? That's a bad girl, Biscuit. Were you being bad? Look at me, Biscuit. Are you being a bad girl? You don't eat the toilet paper.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I feel like that wasn't my best friend that night. It was the devil.